Welcome all students of standard 10. Now dear students, this is the second video of this chapter, Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela. This lesson has been taken from his autobiography, Long Walk to Freedom. Okay students, in that first video, you already know about that Nelson Mandela, and that's the theme of this story. As you know, students, Nelson Mandela, that's a very great patriot. He loves his country and countrymen for him, and that's the greatest wealth of South Africa in her people. He has a sacrificing nature. He sacrificed his life of comfort, family, and home and plugs into the struggle for freedom. He believes in equality for all. He opposed the rule of apartheid, for which he was declared an outlaw. Students, Nelson Mandela was oppressed and tortured in jail for several years, but he never broke. It shows his traits of tolerance, courage, and perseverance. So, okay, now, students, let's start. There's a summary of this story. Okay, start. Long Walk to Freedom is the autobiography of Nelson Mandela. As you know, this is an autobiography of Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. And that's your chapter, Nelson Mandela, is that's taken from this autobiography. So Nelson Mandela was the former South African president. African president. This article is for Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom summary. This chapter is extract from his autobiography, Long Walk to Freedom. It includes the description of the inauguration ceremony and citations from his speech and about his journey to being a freedom fighter. It says about the other countless people who fought for their freedom. So, dear students, freedom. So, every living things need freedom. So, no any cost compared to his freedom, his or her freedom. So, freedom is very necessary, and that's our right. In South Africa, a brutal practice named apartheid. So this is a very important word, apartheid. So once again, I repeat this word, apartheid. Apartheid means a formal social system in South Africa in which black people and people from other racial groups did not have the same political and economic rights as white people, and were forced to live separately from white people. So each and every student remind, must you remember this word apartheid. Apartheid was very popular in those days. So on the time in South Africa, a very brutal, very bad practice named apartheid is going on. It referred to the discriminations between people on the basis of their race and color. It was one of the most brutal societies in which dark skinned people were deprived of their basic rights. So, this is against the nature, against the law. So, this lesson gives us an overview of the struggles of Mandela for making the society with no discrimination on the basis of their color, caste, race, age, or gender. So, if that's any country, if that's run on the basis of their color, caste, race, age, or gender, so that's not going more and more. Okay, students. So Nelson Mandela, real very authentic and very patriotic persons. So his whole life spent for this. Okay, students. So I hope that you you note down all these things, and that's after we know more about that's this summary here. Along to Freedom by Nelson Mandela is all about the struggle of freedom of South Africa. On May 10, 1994, dear students, 10th May, that's very important day. Nelson Mandela has taken the was the first black president of South Africa, and therefore it was becoming a newborn democratic country. Nelson Mandela took the oath as the first black president. So on that day, 1994, that's a real a very autumn day you may also call 10th May. That's you also call autumn day of that country. So on that day, first black president become a president. Many dignitaries from the different countries had come to be part of the most significant day. In his speech, Mandela thanked all those dignitaries. Mandela assured his countrymen that his country would never ever experience the same suppressions of one by another. Democracy had been established in South Africa. As a result, a government of no discrimination was established. So this is the effort of Nelson Mandela, and the people of the South Africa sang two national anthems. Now you note down two national anthems as a symbol of that day. Mandela recalled that the reason for his movement was that black skinned people were exploited by white people. So that's the same condition at this times happen in America. Okay, so he said that this type of separation of people of South Africa is the origin of many stars. People must learn to hate first, because if they had, then they can be taught to love, as love comes from the opposite circumstances. He also says that a brave man is not that who does not feel afraid but who can cover it. So students here, if that's a brave man, is that not who does not feel afraid but who conquers it. So brave man always do fight against the brutal practice. Okay, in life a man has two major obligations. First, towards his family, to his parents, to his wife, and to his children. And second, first obligations towards his family, to his parents, to his wife, and to his children. And second, on the other hand, obligations towards his country, people, and the community. Everyone fulfills his duty as per his inclination and interest. But it was very tough to fulfill in a country like South Africa. When Mandela became an adult, then he understood that his freedom was only an illusion. In fact, he was the slave of exploitations. He also understood that not only he was a slave, but his other family members were also. According to him, freedom is also mandatory for them who were suppressing other in the past. They also have the right to have it, because as nature of others people in a prisoner of the same. Thus the oppressor is much as prisoner as a oppressor. The oppressors too is not free. Students here. So that's a very in that chapter you find that's a real meaning of freedom. Freedom. Every person's need it. That's a that's a birds, animals also love freedom and no any other things. That's a golden keys. Yeah, that's a sweet. That's a not a compare. No anybody compare. So that's a bird also. Bird also wants to be free. So that's a inauguration ceremony of the first non-racial government was held in Union Buildings in the Pretoria. That's ceremony is held in the Union Buildings in Pretoria. Okay, students. So politicians and dignitaries from more than 140 countries attended the ceremony. So must you know it? More than 140 countries. Nelson Mandela was then sworn in as the president of the Republic of South Africa. For decades, South Africa had been the seat for white supremacy, and the black were considered as outlaws. Their victory over the apartheid was a common victory for justice, peace, and freedom. Nelson Mandela was overwhelmed with a sense of history. So that's the society based on racial discrimination was a hardest and most inhuman society in the world. So at last, we also call that the decades of oppressions and exploitations of the blacks produced heroes like Tambos, Sisulu, and other in South Africa. Mandela learned the meaning of courage from such brave comrades who were ready to sacrifice their lives for the freedom of their people. So every man has twin responsibilities: responsibility towards his family and for his people and country. If any black tried to live like a freedom human being, he was published and isolated from his family and community. Mandela realized that not only he put his brother and sisters were deprived for freedom. So his desire for the freedom and dignity of his people made him a rebel. So at last, Mandela realized that freedom is indivisible. Okay, students. So at last, we come on that conclusion of this chapter. The brave man is not that one who does not feel afraid, but he is one who conquers that fear. Mandela said that every man has his duties towards his country and community too. Okay, I hope that you understand and you feel the feeling of Nelson Mandela on that time. And this type of situations you find also at this time also in America. That's a fight between among the blacks and the white people. Okay, students. So each and every students must you note down. That's a summary. In that summary, that's a first part. That's also include that's a theme. Okay, students. Bye. In that next video, we find that's some important question answers. Okay.